So we got sine x minus cosine x times sine x plus cosine x. Let's prove this identity. Let's prove that it's equal to either 2 sine square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 cosine square x. So when you FOIL this, we're going to get sine square x. Outside, which is positive sine x cosine x. Inside is negative sine x cosine x. So they're going to cancel out. And then last will be minus cosine square x. Let's set it equal to, well, we're not going to touch the right side, okay? Let's set equal to that. Now, they're not equal. Well, we could use another identity that goes sine square x plus cosine square x, Pythagorean identity. We know that's equal to 1. Okay? The first answer here, it's in terms of sine. So let's solve cosine in terms of sine. So let's move that over to the right side. Cosine square x is now equal to 1 minus sine square x. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute this instead of cosine right there. Let's see what that brings us. So we got sine square x minus parentheses. Don't forget your parentheses because we're minusing the whole thing here. 1 minus sine square x. Well, let's see. That's going to be sine square x. Let's distribute negative. Minus 1. Minus times minus will give us plus sine square x. Well, isn't that 2 sine square x minus 1? So that's the first answer right there. Okay. What if we were to solve right here? Well, that's it, right? What if we solve for sine square x instead this time? So we get sine square x is equal to, let's move that to the right side now. 1 minus cosine square x. And then we're going to substitute this instead of sine square. So we get 1 minus cosine square x minus, well, I don't have to put parentheses because there's no negative in front. So we go minus cosine square x would give us the second answer there. Because these two are like terms, so it's 1 minus 2 cosine square x. Right there. Okay?